Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. As discussed in the previous classes, I gave you a brief introduction about the operating system. Also, I discussed about the application provided by the operating system. Okay, so as some of you were absent, so that's why I am repeating the portion again. Okay, so what is an operating system? An operating system is the basic software that controls the computer. Okay, basically a operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Okay, so as we all are familiar with the computer. Okay, so basically a computer has two versions. Okay, one person is hardware and another person is software. Okay, so basically everything lies on the computer hardware. Okay, so every file lies on the computer memory. Okay, so basically we want to access the hardware resources. Okay, so to access the hardware resources we need a software. Okay, so this software is nothing but the operating system. Okay, this operating system is the system software. Okay, that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Okay, so there are different types of operating systems are there now. So Unix, Linux, Windows, there are different versions of Windows are there: Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 now. So these all are the examples of the operating system. Okay, so in a word, an operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Okay, so what is the need of the operating system? Basically, as I told you now, an operating system is basically designed to access the hardware resources. Okay, hardware as well as software resources. Okay, there may be different types of softwares in the uh, computer. Okay, so you want to access those software resources. Okay, there are different types of hardware resources. Okay, so to access these resources you need a computer hard you need the operating system. Okay, so another need of the operating system is to providing a consistent application interface. Okay, so which basically ensures that an application made by a programmer on one computer can function on another computer of the same type. Okay, so if a if a application is designed for Windows 7, so it must run all other computers of the Windows 7 type. Okay, so your operating system ensures that. Okay, so this is basically need, or you can say the goal of the operating system. Okay, so what is the functionality of an operating system? So there are different types of functionalities are there na? So some of the functionalities of the operating system are the process management. Okay, or the processor management. A process is basically a program in execution. Okay, any software that you runs now is a process. Okay, suppose if you play game now, so this game become a process. Okay, so the operating system keeps track of the processor. Okay, sharing by considering whether the processor is busy, and if so which process is using it. Okay, so basically the operating system decide now which process will run. Okay, so basically there may be different types of processor run at a time. Okay, so your operating system decide now which processor will run. Okay, when and how much time. Okay, so another functionality of the operating system is memory management. Okay, so basically it keeps track of the memory usage by determining which memory location is in use and which is free. Okay, basically everything in the computer, it any software in the computer, any file in the computer, it runs on the memory. Okay, so basically RAM is limited. Okay, so memory means RAM. So RAM is limited 1 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB. Okay, so this memory management is done by the operating system. Okay, another functionality of the operating system is file management. Okay, so it basically the operating system keeps track of which file is in use and by which jobs. Okay, jobs means the programs. Okay, so which file are being used by which programs. Okay, so there may be that you want to access a file, you want to execute a file, you want to change a file, change the name of the file. Okay, so basically every file in the computer is managed by the operating system. Okay, So another is the device management. Okay, so your operating system manages the device. Okay, there may be different types of input output devices connected together. Okay, peripheral means the input output device. Okay, means there may be a pen drive connected, there may be a mouse connected, there may be a keyboard connected. Okay, so these devices are managed by the operating system. Okay, so in a word now we can say that the operating system basically the government of our computer. Okay, so there are different types of operating systems are there now. Some are interactive operating systems, some are real time operating systems, some are distributive or distributed operating system. Okay, so interactive operating system are basically Windows type operating system. Okay, Windows 7, Windows 10 are the interactive. Okay, interactive means the GUI based. Okay, which is, we just double click the icons, we double click the file and it plays. Okay, so these are interactive operating system. Okay, so some are real time operating system, basically those operating system that are very much fast. Okay, so Linux is a real time operating system, and some operating system are distributed. Okay, so basically a distributed operating system is a control program that runs on a set of computers that are interconnected by network. Okay, so means that if several computers are connected together now, so these types of operating systems are uh, a distributed operating system. Okay, so some of the commonly operating system are Unix, Linux, Windows, boss. These are different types of operating system. Okay, so we all are familiar with the Windows. Okay, Windows basically Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay, again Unix, Linux are there. Okay, so these are the different types of operating system. Okay, so so you go through these types of operating systems. Okay, if you had any confusion then you can ask me. Okay, in the mobile phone there are two types of operating systems are there. Okay, so Android, we all know in the mobile phone Android operating system is there. Okay, so it is written 4.4 version is the latest version, but it is not up to date. Okay, nowadays Android 10 is the latest version. Okay, so again the Windows in the Nokia phone you can find the Windows operating system. Okay, so basically some of the mobile phones you will find the Android operating system, and some of the mobile phone you will find the Windows operating system. Okay, so again Windows 10 is the latest release. Okay, so Windows 8 is not the latest release. Okay, so you please go through the chapter. Okay, so and if you find any confusion then you can ask me. Okay, so thank you.